Finally, our top digital piano is the Casio Privia PX-870. When you think of digital pianos, you probably will think about the Casio brand first of all. If you want a digital piano that emulates the feel of an acoustic model, then we think the Casio Privia PX-870 is an excellent choice. The PX-870 is a compact unit, and if you don't have a lot of space in your home, it's pretty shallow, so it won't protrude too much. Additionally, as sounds are one of the most vital aspects of its design, this device has 19 different instrumental tones with a 256-note polyphony. This means that even when playing fast and complex melodies, the tone still sounds natural and true to how an acoustic piano would sound. Moreover, the lid simulator and realistic dampening resonance sound are very rich. The lid simulation also emulates 4 different lid positions sampled from a piano that is open to various degrees. All this enables you to have many options for the sound you create. What's more, the PX-870 has a tremendous natural feeling to it. We found that its hammer action provides a realistic tone based on the pressure applied to a key, just like an acoustic piano. Even better, the PX-870 can be plugged into a Mac or Windows computer, Android devices, and tablets. You can use it as a MIDI controller on any music app. Finally, the 3 inbuilt pedals are excellent and make it feel just like you could be playing a traditional upright piano. So, if you're looking for a high-performance and straightforward-to-use unit that's very compact, this is the product for you. Its pros are: it has a sleek design. It can be connected to Mac and Android devices. It feels a lot like an acoustic piano. And it has an outstanding build quality. However, it is not easily portable. The Casio Privia PX-870 is a high-end device that will ensure you get the best experience possible when practicing and performing piano music. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.